Came to the barbecue shop.
Hey, can you take it?
The barbecue shop, not the barbecue
He's
shop, but
scared of it.
the barber shop. Let me see my guy Poop. Poop.
Hey, take it out. Take it out.
Me?
He's scared. Yeah.
Shit, I can't take him out. You might fuck around and bite me.
Nah, they don't bite.
I can't get the damn thing. There we go. You do too bite. Poop. Come on, buddy. I need some seeds. Where's some food?
Just put your hand and
Oh, you speak. Poop. Come on, man. You ain't fooling with me? Poop.
this shit's nice, man.
Poop. Why are you trying to bite?
No, no fun.
No fun? He'll bite it?
Yeah.
Poop.
Come on.
Come on, bro.
Você tá, eu sei.
Why Poop don't like us?
Zalan. He's mad.
He mad as shit right now. My boy hungry. La Poop. Poop, don't do that. See, he ain't fooling with us today, bro.
لا ما جوعان بس صح.
That's not-
حسنين ما موجود هذا صاحبه كاشير. والله هو اعتقد زعلان علي.
Poop like, y'all ain't give me no food.
He just saying his boy is not here, so that's why he's.
His like his guy.
Yeah.
Okay. They relate to that? Okay. Should have some sunflower seeds in here. You'd have came out with me then. Who said he ain't coming out here? His owner ain't here. Why you so scared? Scaredy cat, bro. All that buffness for no reason. Stop.
I could kill him, man.